I'm happy that you're loving it. I really am. I'm excited. I was really hesitant to do something like this, but just like I'm also releasing Dragonfly. We've got lots of months or weeks of releases, and then the last will be Dragonfly. It is not included with anything else. I've spent years and countless stuff on there. It's not sexy in terms of the first, I'm going to give you all the sexy stuff, the stuff that's like, oh my gosh, I'm going to be a billionaire. And then I'm going to give you the real thing. And I have realized that in our community, even with the messages I get in the middle of the night, we've attracted some really good hearted people, like genuine people. I think we attract the right people for the most part. And for that, I am grateful. God gets all the glory for that. But the Dragonfly is insane, you guys. It's safe and it's not perfect. It's not, this flash crash is going to be problematic, but other than that, I trust it to run on fun money to get my 5 to 10% a month. Some months, yeah, it'll pop up, closer to 12, 15. But if I know I can handle the market and average, 5, 10, 15% a month and do nothing, I don't care, right? Especially not on big accounts. Like, is it going to go get me the many percents a day and the Facebook worthy, Lambos? No, but I don't want that. I want the safe because those things blow as much as they grow. And those are fun for a minute, but I want the thing that I can count on. So yes, you guys are going to see all of it. Break is right. I was very hesitant in terms of the copier account, but if I can teach you guys how to manage it and take the good with the bad, so don't fuss and run over the known weaknesses, learn to put them in your favor, okay? We're gonna change the world in a year or less.